Not a lot of people may know this about me. I don't know. I've said it a few times in my videos. I wasn't going to. I don't often bring it up. I used to more, but I spent some time doing a lot of theater and performing and that kind of stuff. And one of the most often recorded or repeated things by directors was they wanted the energy to be high. And a lot of times, usually when people start out on YouTube or when they're building a YouTube channel, they'll feel like their energies, if it's a scale of 1 to 10, they'll feel like they're at like an 8 or a 9, and they'll be like, whoa. But then when they actually watch themselves on camera, it's actually more like a 2 or 3. That's often the case. Oh, what directors would often say when we were going through scenes and stuff is they would say, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. And I will tell you, the directors would say, I will tell you when to scale back. I'll tell you when, but I would prefer if you went more. And usually I've watched, thousands of YouTube videos. Usually I would give that advice. I would say more energy. When you come to a video and someone slaps you across the face with a whole bunch of personality and energy, it does one thing. It usually divides the audience. It's either people are like, whoa, what is going on? If this is the first video they've seen, they usually say, oh my goodness, what is going on? And they have to make a decision. They have to decide, oh, this is actually, I like this, I'm okay with this, or I am not okay with this, and I'm going to go to another video.